Hi everybody. So many of you have asked that have a chaser module or an RGB module, if your remote becomes damaged or if you lost it, how do I get a new remote and how do I pair that to my module box? So it's pretty easy. So I'm going to simulate this being plugged in to your bike currently. So I'm going to plug this into 12 volts. And you'll see this rapid red light. Some of you might have this red light. Some of the earlier versions do not have a red light, but still functions the same way. You will have this black button here. And what you will want to do is take this black button, push it down once, let it go, push it down again and hold it. And you will get this flashing light. At that point, you'll take your new remote, hit the A, hit the B, hit the C, and hit the D button. And at that point, again, you might not have a flashing red light, and that is okay. And at that point right there, your new remote is paired. Now, if you do push this button way too many times and you don't get that flashing red light, what you'll want to do is just disconnect your power wire, whether it's connected to the fuse block or direct to battery. Just disconnect it for 10 seconds and repeat the same procedure, which is push the button once, let it go, push it down and hold it until you get the rapid light. Then you take your remote, hit the A, B, C, and D. It is that simple.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to bring you new content and innovative products.